So the cruise control on this 98 Jeep XJ seemed to be holding speed okay. But when I turned it off or put the brake on to cancel, basically it was holding pretty high idle, and it was actually pretty dangerous. Wouldn't shut down. So I suspected a bad cable. And as you can see here, here's the servo. I've removed the cable, and yeah, it's stuck pretty good. You can see I've actually put in penetrating oil on the top side and let it drain all the way through, hoping to free it up, but it's binding pretty good. I think I may just have to replace it. So I ordered a whole servo and cable, figuring it'd be easier to just do the whole thing. But you can see this servo is really corroded bad, and I was going to take the just the cable off, but you can see these nuts are rusted on there pretty good. Okay, well, with some perseverance, I got those nuts that were frozen on there off, and I removed the little cotter pin and got the cable off. So we'll use the new cable and put it in the Jeep. And one thing I noticed is the length on the new one, the one I got off of this unit, is a little longer than the one that was on there before. So here's a servo. I've got the new cable, which moves freely on, and because it's longer, instead of routing it around over here, around it back to the firewall and down and under a little bit, and it fit very nicely. Got it in there, and it's on the throttle, so it should be good. We'll go out and test drive it. Okay, here we go. This is a little bit of a straight stretch. Get up to 30 miles an hour. Turning the cruise control on. There it is. The light came on. Cruise control is on. Going too slow to set it right now. See if it takes set. Yeah, let's actually keep it 40. We're going to accelerate a little bit. Zoom accelerator works. We're at 45 now. Coast. Slows down a little bit. It's holding like a little over 40. Now we'll do the push and cancel button. And that's it. Just dropping off. Now we'll resume, accelerate. Everything's working. And for the real true test, step on the brake and see if it hangs up at speed or comes down to a nice idle. Okay, stepping on the brake now. Come to a stop. And there we are. A nice idle speed. Everything is working as advertised.